Do you want to insert the size of your document directly into the document itself? You can do so by using one of the dynamic fields available in Word. It's often handy to insert the size of your document somewhere within the document itself. Word allows you to include this statistic in bytes anywhere that you please. As your document size changes through editing, the information displayed by the field changes. For instance, we may want to jump down to the end of this document, and down here we may want to say size, and we may want to have the size of the document placed right there within this document. Now we're going to jump over to the Insert tab of the ribbon, and over here we're going to choose Quick Parts. And finally, we're going to choose Field. That displays the Field dialog box. At the left side of the dialog box, we're going to choose Document Information up here in the Categories. That reduces the number of fields that are listed down here, but this is the one that we're interested in, the one that says Field Size. All I have to do is go ahead and click on OK. And now we have the number of bytes for this document inserted directly within the document itself. Since this value is inserted as a field, it will update whenever you open the document or choose to print it. If you want it updated some other time, all you have to do is just right-click on the field, and then you can choose Update Field from right down here, and it's updated immediately. You should note that this field inserts the document's file size. This is different than the number of characters in the document. The file size is invariably larger, as it includes space consumed by formatting and housekeeping information that's maintained by Word. It's best to think of this value as the amount of space that this particular file consumes on your disk. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might want to consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.